Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 26, remove duplicate from slotted array. So I am going to divide this LeetCode problem into two videos. So the first video is lecture and the second video is C code. So in this video we are going to discuss the completely lecture. That means I'm going to tell how to solve this problem, the algorithm, the approach. In the second video I'm going to lead code web page and I'm going to type the C code for our lead code problem. So without any delay, let's get started our lecture today. So first we need to understand what is a duplicate. A duplicate means a value that appears more than one time. So suppose let me give an array. Suppose the array is 1 comma 1 comma 2. So in this array the number 1 appears twice. So one of them is a duplicate. So what is a slot array? So slotted array means arranging the numbers in ascending order. Suppose let me give an example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the numbers which are arranged in ascending order. That means slotted. So let me give another example. Suppose the elements are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, and 5 and 6. So these are in slotted array. So you noticed something? So the same numbers stay together. So this is very important. This is our important notice. So when we want to remove duplicate from the slotted array, the observation is the duplicate elements will always appear adjacent size. So here 0 is, so in this array there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are totally 6 unique numbers, but how many numbers are repeated? So 0 is repeated twice, 1 is repeated twice, and 3 is repeated twice. So totally there are 6 unique numbers, and there are 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. So there are 9 numbers actually in this array, but there are 6 unique numbers. So this is our observation. So now let us read the question. So the question says remove the duplicate values from the slotted array. So keep only unique values. So return number of unique elements. So in this there are 5 unique elements, and in this there are 6 unique elements. So let me give another example, the same example: 1 comma 1 comma 2. So in this example, how many unique numbers do you have? So answer is 1 and 2. So only 2 unique numbers. The answer is 2. So let me give a second example. Suppose the example 0, 0 and 1 and 1 and 1 and 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So let's remove the repeated values. So we keep, so 0 is repeated, so 0 is kept, so 1 is also repeated, so 2 is repeated, 3 is repeated, 4 is repeated. Totally there are 5 unique elements. So the answer is 5. So let us think like a human first. So imagine you are checking attendance in a classroom. So students are standing in a order. If two students have the same roll number, you keep only one. So when a new roll number appears, you keep it. So this is exactly what we do in this problem. So the important observation is, as I mentioned earlier, the array is slotted. It makes our time easy. Because it is slotted, duplicates always stay next to each other. So in this example, 0 is 0, both numbers are adjacent to each other. These three numbers are adjacent to each other, so we can easily identify. So this helps us to find duplicate easily. So how do we solve it? So we keep one position called unique position. So let me write. So we keep one position as unique position. Unique position. So initial the first element is always unique. So it is very important. So the first element always unique. So then we need to move to the array. So whenever we find a new element, we place it in the next unique position. Whenever we see the same values, again we ignore it. Suppose in this value this is the first unique position, so we are comparing with the next element, so they are same, we are ignoring it. Again we are moving to the next element, so we are traversing entire array and until the array is slotted, and I mean until the all unique values are printed here. So let us take an example and run it. So first we are going to take a let me take a solving examples: 1 comma 1 comma 2. So this is a small example. So start with the first number, unique number. So first element is 1. So now look at the second number. So this is our second number. So it is also 1. So already present. So we are going to ignore it. So now look at the third element. So it is 2. This is a new number. So we need to keep it. So now unique numbers are 1, comma 2. So total unique numbers are 2. So that's it. So let me write another example. So 0, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2. So keep first is equal to 0. So next 0 is same. So we are going to ignore it. So next 1 is new. So 1 is new. So on the next we are seeing another m. So again we got 1. So keep it. So totally we have 1, 0, comma 1. So we are going to next element. So 2. So totally we have 3 unique elements. So finally there are 3 unique numbers. So what technique are you using? So we use the two pointer technique. So in this lecture, so for this problem we're using two pointer technique. So two pointer technique. So let me explain this technique. So one pointer remembers the last unique value. So another pointer moves to the array and checks every element. So this helps us to solve the problem efficiently. So why this question is important? So this problem teaches the array, two pointers, interview thinking, and space optimization. So many coding interviews ask similar questions. So let me again recap. So a duplicate means a repeated value. So the array is already slotted. That makes our problem very easy. We use the two pointer technique. So this is how about the lecture. So in the next video, we are going to write the code in our LeetCode web page. I hope this lecture is great to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next lecture.